is going on, game heads? Osmosis here with a quick live review of not the Parthian shot. I know everybody's on the Parthian shot, but no, not me. I'm gonna whip out the Messenger. Yes, this is a classic pulse rifle from year one trials. Back when I was really doing trials like all the time, the Messenger was the gun. I think it was like it was the best gun from that trial setup of guns at that moment. So yeah, the Messenger was the business because it has perfect balance, third eye, and head seeker to give those double two taps just more easier to do. With Sure Shot IS, it's just made in heaven. I'm not gonna rock Defender, I'm gonna rock Striker. I was doing a Nightfall earlier, and so you know it was arc burn, so I was having fun. But yeah, let's get into this control match and see how much work we put in with the Messenger. See if it can still put in, you know, just goo gobs of amounts of work. And oh wait, dang, I got into a game so fast. That's like the fastest I've ever got into a game. Oh, we got the absolute worst map possible for this gun though. What? Why pick a special ammo like I need it? I know this is a review on the Messenger, but you know. Oh, I forgot. I'm used to using my Hopscotch Pilgrim, so I'm used to automatic. So I just sat there with the trigger held like a dummy. See, oh, whew, nasty. Absolute filth. Oh. Damn, I got a grenade that fast. I threw my grenade right off the cliff. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this gun is filthy. He's dead. Whew. The Messenger, I might just rock this forever till Destiny 2 comes out. This gun is just ridiculous. What the heck? Whew. Hey, Blueberry, do something. Do something. Look at my gun, it's stuck. Oh. I need to reload, watch my back, because people like to shoot in the back. Oh. I need to reposition myself. You got it? He fell off the edge. It's such a Deadpool maneuver. His name is Deadpool too. Go and go. What you gonna do with it? Alright, so 1 kill. 2 kills. Not bad, Blueberry. You almost know the way of the gun.
Heavy ammo available.
Cheesy smash. I'm tempted to be a Striker Titan. Oh god. Ooh. How, what? He shot a rocket? He was able to shoot a rocket? I thought I like killed him way before that. I like the low-key look and feel of the Messenger too though. Classic black and yellow. Yeah, there you go. Can a brother get some orange? Get out the hungry. Man, this Messenger just feels so crisp. Look, I'm about to get on here too. Ooh, that knife.
Excellent.
Seen it coming in slow motion. Okay, I should switch to a sidearm. I know you probably like, Osmosis, why use a sidearm? You're a cheap son of a bitch. But you know, don't apologize, man. This is a video game. Double kill? Yes. I landed that so perfectly. Perfect. Bullets. He jumped off the edge. Just the sight of me made you want to jump off the edge. Damn, calm down, boy. Try to get me with the okie doke, huh? What? It's still going? Yeah, good job, Blueberry. Kind of my lightweight.
Zone C neutralized.
Oh, I'm about to say, I got an assist. All right. Nobody over there. Everybody over here. Oh, they got a super. Why not? Triple.
You're almost there.
Oh, I was too slow for the breaker. I'm stuck. What was I running into? And me and Cornish have like a strong relationship, it seems like. Alright, you guys, we're going into the second game. And look, they gave me what I asked for. Thank you, Bungie. Bannerfall, absolutely wonderful, wonderful range map.
Control.
Actually, you can really play all types of ranges on this map, really. Oh, fuck. That grenade still came. The grenades. No more Axiom Bolt, please. So you got this incoming missile. It's gonna wreck your shit soon.
Zone A lost. Enemy captured Zone A.
He tried to get out of there. He almost had me. Okay, though. Let's go. See, that's why I love Jake's Promise, man. It gets the job done. Okay. Hope you feel good about yourself, right? Okay. There goes that Drax. Fuck. Damn, that accident for me. He's getting off with that Ceros again, that. Oh shit. Dang, he still shot me in the head. How you shoot me in the head? I didn't even see him like raise his scope. I was just dead one moment. Oh, trouble. That Ceros is putting in dumb work, right? Killed me out of my super? What? I didn't kill that dude. I was like dead on him. He must have lagged out or something. I was looking at like an after image or something. Like how I didn't like connect to him. That was crazy. Alright, you guys. I'm playing Salvage because you know Destiny 2 is gonna be 4v4. So in this case, I'm gonna start playing more 3v3 to get ready for the 4v4. And I like it though, cause you know Destiny is made by the guys who made Halo, and in Halo 4v4 was the game mode, you know. But these still have big team battles, so I hope they really keep to that method and put in big team battles, cause just 4v4 it will get kind of stale. You still want the mayhem of a lot more people, you know. All right, I seen him jump up, but. Ooh, see that messenger came with the clean. Oh, I got the invective, huh?
Activated. Defended.
Ooh, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys I pushed to the invective. My wife's trying to feed me something. I love my wife. Invective. Oh, let's go. Ooh, 2 for 1, the clutches. Did you see the play? My grenade was juggling. Like, he tried to juggle my grenade and then it fell on him.
Falling behind. Double down.
Man, I'm telling you, this messenger. If you ain't got this done, it's too late for you, but dude, go pull this out, man. Oh, I gotta remember to move forward as I swing. This is me in the game now. Me with my messenger. We would never give up. This is not for man well, you guys. Who's doing so good? I don't know why my team quit.
They've got the relic.
I don't care about the relic shacks. I care about my life.
Available.
What about my life shacks? Over there about special. See this shit coming. One guy with heavy. He had aim with the hunger of Crota. I think that's his hunger of Crota. I can't see over my thing. Man, triple team shot hand cannons. every one of them hit me with a hand cannon shot at the same time, I'm gonna die.
Relic lost. New relic.
Oh shit, I got saved by my clan and homies. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look, I'm about to show you guys right now.
Defending.
Look, that's him right there. Somehow he joined my game. Oh wait.
Probe lost. Double kill.
Let's go. I don't know who I killed. I was trying to kill that golden guy. I'm back in this. Confidence is back. Let's go. I got merciless? When did that happen? That messenger cleanup is so
Relic secure.
so filthy. Ooh. That shotgun, man. I missed that back there. I forgot how to hold this.
Probe is out.
That's right. Got the homie. Too bad I can't stay because this will be my last game, but man, came through.
Fight forever, Guardian.
See? But he had super too.
Relic seized. You held
Ooh,
on to
we
those
won.
relics like life depended.
This Parthian shot. I told you this Parthian shot was nice. I just kept coming across teams of just dumbness. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, whole team, you get shot by the whole team. Therefore, no matter how good you are, you're just not gonna be the best. You know? If you like the content, GameSoft is here for you guys. Like and subscribe, man. GameSoft out. Yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna give this gun. It's kind of hard to decide. It's really good. It is a legendary too. Oh, but also it can be upgraded. So I give it this gun. I give it a 4 out of 5 Meeseeks. 4 out of 5. No, 4 out of 5 Meeseeks, you guys. So yeah, now I'm gonna get out of here. GameSoft out.